Yo, what's up, ninjani? Ngiyaphila. Gama lami ngiTT. Ngihlala khona e-USA. Ngivela eBotswana. I'm gonna try to react to this song in Zulu. One of my favorite songs. Um, yeah, just like that, my Zulu went out of the window. Imculo ongithanda kakhulu. KO. When was this song released? I should actually check. Siphila one. We live one time. KO Siphila one. Siphila one. Siphila. Let's see. 9 years ago, yeah. 9 years ago. Iminyaka 9. Le i-video iphumile. This is embarrassing. I had this confidence and I've been prepping myself up to speak Zulu. So yeah, I understand Zulu, which is like funny because I never actually stayed in South Africa. The longest I think I stayed in South Africa was like a week. I was doing like some training and stuff. And yeah, it was just brief. But I grew up watching SABC, so those years have paid off. So if you're speaking Zulu around me, I am going to understand what you're saying. The outie. God, the problem is my Zulu is mixed with Ndebele because yeah, mixing lapha sisonke sibantu to be one. KO Spilaga one. I love the song. It's my favorite. Ngiyithanda kakhulu the video, the whole vibe is just beautiful, man. So yeah. Uma Ula for the first time, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Because I upload music in from all over Africa. Like I said, isiZulu ngiyasikhuluma kancane, simixilwe nesiNdebele and a little bit of Xhosa, a little bit of isiSwati, whatever. So let's get to it. Spilaga one. I'm gonna try to speak more Zulu on this song, so let me know if I'm sounding right if you are watching this. I feel like in live, song is kumele siphile kanje, like this is the last time. Just like enjoy life. I feel like sometimes we are just caught up in like maybe building a generational wealth and more money, getting the bag, securing the bag, that you just forget to live for the now and just always focusing kuti isikhathi the time is coming that you're gonna sit down and enjoy it, and the time is cut as sahamba madoda. So KO was on fire on this one. Mlilo. For those of you who do not understand Zulu, the song is just saying, maybe today is the last time, like celebrate, like enjoy Spilaga one, we live one time. So maybe
elokufaltshela igazi vuka uthandazi bese vele sigcwala istrati siphuma umkhankazi tshela uma ukuthi fandax buya jumpers kuyoshiya igazi uqhuma ishampasi.
It's a good song, but it's also kind of encouraging you to do all this regular stuff. But if you live your life like on a daily bread, I feel like that's more fulfilling. I try to do that sometimes, and then it's good, and then sometimes you just get caught up on what's going to happen in the future, and you try to fix the future, even though your presence is not that.
Success is my destination. I'm cash driven, I'm on that Mandela drive according to my navigation. Next cent one I wanna get.
I'm sure he has achieved that. Like, he was cash driven. Logos here.
I'm the stunner all the year out. Was born maybe Java for the last time. No time to waste one all over must shine.
Hey.
So enjoy what's mine. If I live another day, last time, yeah.
Hey, if I live another day, I am just going to continue where I left off yesterday, because, you know, take every morning as a blessing. That's basically the
believe in divine intervention. All I need is lights, camera, action.
Who knows?
Baby chava wa malaso, vela one, Baby chava wa malaso, vela one. Baby chava wa malas, Batu yazbona, Marana tu yazbona. From since then sikota na manje sikora. We still the best ngamanyora. Udlula bani ayikhohlwa mfano yazmora. Twana bantu yazphoka, thinking that you better than this. When this is God's work, boy, heaven on this. I'm still here, know the devil is pissed. But enough with the negative. I read your choice, celebrate for the hell of it. Life's too short, so we get high. Few court scheme, now my gang, dreams of a new Porsche. Who thought ungashintsha changes? Never did a picture. Mina famous. Manje mebangibona bayasena strangers. Bagcwele ngale vibes yakhipha greatness. Cause love, yazi dala zabalas. Namhlanje ngithi what's bad. Maybe chava wa malas. Maybe chava wa malas. So vela I one. Maybe chava wa malas. So vela I one. Maybe chava wa malas. Yakhumbula ngitshela kusolonga ntwana besiphohle endlala ngey'nsuku upro wathi pressa phusha phanda ngawari uzopopa fungo madala and nose push isikhanda umsansi uyasithanda ganda uma iwe uyivanda phethe umgangathi flow is standard yomsimthandane nayo ugangana kuze uzube nathi kule nsuku sokugcina sebenza kanzima ukuthi sikhona ukuphila that's why siphuza utshwala kuze kusekuseni kuze usungivuse ekufeni impilo engapheli yazi dala zabalas namhlanje ngithi what's bad maybe chava wa malas maybe chava wa malas so vela I one maybe chava wa malas so vela I one.
The person who shot this video is timeless. Like, you probably thought this video is new, but you know, it's just well shot. Yeah, beautiful KO. Timeless music, timeless video. Maybe because I just love this guy's music, man. I feel like he's been one of those OGs that are still holding it down. That's how you say it. Yeah. Singaphi isiZulu. So Sila, ngiyabonga kakhulu if ubukele the video and ukhuluma isiZulu. Let me know ukuthi ngihamba kanjani my Zulu, you know. And it doesn't help ukuthi ngifere angikhona la emdeni. Angikhona emdeni yeah. I'm very far. So thank you so much, man. And I do hope that you appreciate my broken Zulu. I feel like if I can communicate in Zulu for like a whole month, I'll be fluent. Ganaganjani, guys. So let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this. If you're watching this for the first time, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side.